We said about it being too fine. Exactly.
This one was over-pitched and is dispatched summarily.
With in the air and out. Big wicket for Zimbabwe. He's pushed at one outside off stump. The length again good. Timson Maruma's the man, and at backward point you won't get too many easier ones than that.
Nice looking stroke. Very well played. Ball rolling now. It will go to the boundary. That's a top shot. Good fielding is quick. Elton Chigumbura drags it back to keep it to 3, but really good timing that. Straight on the legs, and that's a good shot. It's in the gap. Was in the air for some time. And you'll get back for a third as well. It's in the gap. It's a top shot. Beautifully timed for 4. Edged and overslipped for 4. It's well played. Yeah, now on. Big shout, huge shout, and it's gone. Struck in front, and Jamshed, after a good start, has got to go. Utseya gets the breakthrough.
Yeah, we spoke about Prosper Utseya not trying to extract.
There's the big shot. It had to happen, and he's going to get it all the way, I reckon.
Doesn't go to waste.
Sweep shot. It's up in the air. I tell you what, Brian Vittori, he's hesitated. He who hesitated. Ah, that's gone miles. Don't worry about the mid-on. Oh, that's better. Misbah-ul-Haq deciding he had to do something about his strike rate. Down the wicket, clips one off his leg crisply to mid-wicket, and Sean Williams diving to his left pulls off a beauty.
Well, that's
do the job for him. Just when you talk up a bowler and call that he's
in the slot and smashed out the park.
Side on the boundary, except mid-off, and that's his 50. So very well played by Mohamed Hafiz. He's looked pretty good. Again, he was good in the second T20. He was good in the first One Day International. Got to 7.
Bad. Oh, top shot. Top shot. That'll go for 4.
Williams been good. Short, pulled, and that's a good start for Pakistan.
Splayed away onto the onside. They will go for 2. And is there a third one? Yes, there is. Good running. 3 more runs.
No, he didn't get all of that, but it's found its way through the man at mid-wicket.
not much care taken there. Over extra, back to back.
You called it, so I can call it. Tried the slower ball. It was. Yeah, that's no good. Yeah, length given and duly obliged at the batsman Umar Amin.
Touch.
Then again, 6-4 to end the over. That should run away for 4. Too wide.
An opportunity.
And he gets through. He hit it hard to Chigumbura at extra cover, but he ran straight away. So debut international 50 for Umar Amin. 40 overs done. Called for 2 straight away, but he slipped. Otherwise they would have got through.
Need him to play shots.
I'll try.
Through the offside on this occasion. Has he got enough on it? He'll push hard again, will Umar Amin. And will come back comfortably.
But even quicker than that.
We've got to hurry back, Oh, has he got him? I wonder if he has. We're going to go upstairs. Good work by Tendai Chatara. Amin had to dive back, has
Right on top, and it needed a little bit of exceptional work, and that's exactly what's happened. The fast bowler, Tendai Chatara, has brought about a much needed breakthrough for Zimbabwe. There you go, here's your confirmation.
Oh dear, a misfield. He'll get a couple, and Mohamed Hafiz will get to a well-deserved century. His 6th century in one-day internationals, his 2nd against Zimbabwe. Has played really well to get to the 3 figures and ensured that his side have stayed on course to a decent total here, setting in the 2nd one-day international.
Yeah, well deserved. He's played exceptional.
No man on the offside, so that should get to the boundary for 4. Oh yes, that's a good hit. He's missed his mark. Top shot. He was looking in that. There's a man there. There's a man there. Oh, it's gone through his hand. Has that gone out the ground? Has it? No, well done. Oh, he couldn't stay in the field of play. Had to toss it back. Oh dear. He's done. Oh dear. Oh.
Do I take responsibility for that part?
Top shot. Gone off. Well, they'll need 300, Dirk, so perhaps you can take that. Pakistan will be happy with 299 for 4. They've played well to get to that. The innings has progressed and quickened up as it's gone along. Hats off to Mohamed Hafiz, who's guided this Pakistan innings and ensured that it accelerated at the right times and also didn't remain static when wickets fell. Zimbabwe, on the other hand, will probably feel that they could have executed their skills that little bit better. 299 for 4 then in their 50 overs, having been asked to bat first by Brendan Taylor.
Yeah, it'll be tough going for them if they want to win the series today. It's a big score, but the wicket, after all the excitement this morning, looks good. He played well though, did Hafiz.
He comes from a great height and is looking to spear that. It's gone a long way up, a very long way up. Keeper's catch, and he takes it comfortably. Well done to Safraz. Perhaps not the right option with the man bowling so quickly. Had to try and take him on with the short one. Good luck reaching that. Well,
looking at is that going to be 4? Yes, 4 to 3rd man.
That's a top shot. Bowled slower, and he gets to the. Wow, has he got all of that? Yes, sufficiently. Yep, looks to go full, and it's played well. Couldn't fall. He's found the gap this time, Hamilton Masakadza. He's a strong boy too. In the gap again. Superb.
Oh, and again from Masakadza. He's been in. Just as we talk him up. He's got a length ball, maybe stayed a little low, but it's cannoned into the stumps and made a real mess. Just as Zimbabwe was starting to build a partnership, Masakadza looking good. Pakistan through Junaid Khan make another breakthrough. Oh, what a shot. What a shot down the ground. Just punch.
Again, and this time a missed call, and he's been sent back by Brendan Taylor. He looked to his captain for support. He was balked, and poor Timson Maruma sent back halfway down, and he's been run out.
Junaid Khan. No, he's nailed that, Brendan Taylor. I mean, a lot of talk on whether or not That's a good shot. Jamshed will not cut that off. Sean Wood.
Good cricket shot from Brendan Taylor, inside out. Over
on these two.
Well, he's gone for it. He tried to play the pickup sweep. He's got an outside edge.
On offside. The reverse sweep, and this one's going in the air, bouncing away merrily.
He's got it. He's going to push hard, but will stay at the single. His first 50 in the last 13 innings, so it's been a long haul. It's been a long time coming, and he achieves it in a very important game. 23 done, 113 for 3. How good is that? Oh, really good shot. 2-4 from Afridi. Mid-off up. You're right. There's the one that goes on with the arm. And he's run past it as Sean Williams. It didn't go past the outside edge, went past the inside edge. And the wicket-keeper had to be on the ball. Made a good take.
That's a nice looking stroke. Made room for himself to play that shot, waited for it, and then drove.
Oh, lovely shot. Mid-off, up in the circle. And he's got it past the big man. Didn't make the...
He gets it in the gap this time. It's gone fine, very fine. 4 runs. That's a top shot. Fantastic.
Oh, he's caned that wall. He's found the gap as well.
Maybe height. Oh, he's got him. 7'1", the only bloke in world cricket that would have made that catch. And he stuck up the left hand and probably got the wicket that wins his side the contest.
Yeah, he's got to think himself very unlucky, Brendan Taylor.
There we go, soft. It was looking pretty good just a couple of minutes ago for Zimbabwe. You thought they had half a chance, but I reckon now it's all but perished. The umpire just wanting to check whether... He's given him. He must have been thinking, did that pitch outside the line of leg stump? He's had a few questions asked of him in that area today, Richard Illingworth. He's going to be even happier now, because he's knocked over the timber once again. Prosperous Sayer it is on this occasion, playing all around a straight one from Junaid Khan, and makes a mess of the woodwork.
quite get in and get his hands underneath it. And that's the thick outside edge. And another wicket for Pakistan. The last rights here.
And that's the wicket, Abdul Rahman. It's Vittori, and is that the end of the match? Yes, it is. Caught by a running, a sprinting Mohammad Irfan. Everyone's all smiles. Pakistan have won 209 all out. Vittori, the last batsman, out.
A comprehensive victory for Pakistan, and they'll be a very happy group after a very disappointing performance as a team in the first game. They've bounced back really well. Their batting clicked. Mohammad Hafiz stood tall, held them together. Some good cameos. Umar Amin getting his maiden one-day international 50, and there's the man who led the charge, a big 100 again in a one-day international. He loves coming to Zimbabwe, has scored plenty of runs here, and again he stood tall, led from the front, and has guided his team to a comprehensive 90-run victory. A lot more smiles from Pakistan here today at Harare Sports Club as they've won by 90 runs. The series is now level at 1-1, and with the momentum firmly in Pakistan's court.
Pakistan pulling one back, leveling the series, and the decider will be played here. All of us will be back for the decider day after tomorrow Shake of the hands. Congratulations from the Zimbabweans to the Pakistanis. Pakistan win very comprehensively by 90 runs. They scored 299 for 4.